To set your phone to play sound when you write capital letter in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management. Next tap general management. Select Samsung keyboard settings. If you cannot find Samsung keyboard settings, tap keyboard list and default, and then select Samsung keyboard. Scroll down the screen, tap swipe touch and feedback, and then tap speak keyboard input load, and then on capital letters tap play sound, and then you must turn on speak keyboard input load first. If off, tap switch until blue or on to turn on. Now when you write capital letter, for example
H space shift on W space shift on W space shift on K.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.